Hey y'all, it's Lauren Hastings, the SLP insurance coach, and I wanted to take the time to explain insurance benefits. I feel like this gets everyone, especially if you accept commercial insurances like Blue Cross Blue Shield, Cigna, Aetna, all of those, okay? So there are 4 words that you need to understand when you are taking commercial insurance. We're gonna get into it. First and foremost, let's start with deductible, okay? This is the amount that the patient has to pay before the insurance pays anything. So if you get a client and their deductible is, let's say, $5,000 and they have $1,500 remaining, right? So they have to come out of pocket $1,500 before the insurance will give you anything, all right? So the next word is out of pocket. Out of pocket amount is the amount you got to come out of pocket, period, okay? It's separate from the deductible, but it's kind of connected. We're not going to get into it, but just know out of pocket is how much money you got to come out of pocket. The next 2 words are what you need to know after the deductible is met. Okay, so a plan will either have a copayment or a coinsurance, okay? Let's start with copayment because we hear that all the time. A copayment is a fixed amount that you have to pay after the deductible is met. So let's go back to the $5,000. If the $5,000, once that is met, then all you do is pay that copay amount. So it might be $20, it might be $40. That's what you pay. Now, if your plan does not have a co-payment, 9 times out of 10 is going to have a co-insurance, which is a percentage. So let's say your co-insurance, all these codes, the co-insurance is 20%. So once your deductible is met, you pay 20% of whatever that service is going to be. Now, the insurance will tell the provider, so you don't have to worry about that. But that is what that means. So if it says 20%, that means you pay 20%, the insurance will pay 80%, but that will not kick in until when? The deductible is met. So be mindful as you're picking your insurance plans, or if you're a provider watching this, you are explaining the patient benefits, because sometimes people have small deductibles, sometimes they have big deductibles. So it's very important to understand those 4 things: deductible, out of pocket, co-payment, and coinsurance. I hope this helps.
No, yeah.